be afraid or very careful of these people that they call besties. You know, you can have a friend that you really trust, and I promise you, you don't know that person. Somehow, the man that I was supposed to get married to a month after got married to my best friend. That was supposed to be my chief bridesmaid. Dissolve! And in the space of 3 to 4 months, even after he knows we just lost our kids, I just lost my everything. This, my friend, the same girl that was supposed to, in fact, you know, when someone is your best friend, you know, when something happens to you, she should be responsible to give a very good answer of what's going on with you. Instead, this person actually made a waykeeping for me. She made a waykeeping for me, and 2 places, Port Harcourt, where I was working, and where I used to work at Oka. It was someone else that called me on video call on Facebook, like after I got myself out of coma, not me, after God got me out of coma, and he got to let me know that he attended my waykeeping few weeks ago. So imagine how shocked you would be that you are watching a video from someone else's phone that is calling you live, that the person is showing painful exits. It was just something else, that people were celebrating or crying over my death, and I was alive somewhere.
My people, things they really occur for this life with me and you, they see waiting bestie to her so-called friend. Dissolve! Jesus Christ. Imagine a person you called your bestie betrayed you, and at the back went ahead to marry the man you were supposed to marry. If you've been following me, you will know that I always talk in my videos, women are the best and biggest betrayers ever. Women know like themselves, especially when they say you are surviving and you are successful. Why you could get bestie? Learn to be a best friend of yourself. See this lady now, if you look up, you will see her wearing her uniform, her nurse uniform. She's a very well-fed and healthy woman being. Unluckily for her, she met wolves in sheep clothing. According to her, she talks say it was a few months to her wedding. Then her best friend did this to her. The so-called friend married her to-be husband, and the one that broke the camel's back be say she went ahead and planned a wake-keep for someone that was still alive. I wish God go just open everybody's heart so that you, where they keep friend, go know say no be every smile be good smile, or no be all your friend want your betterment. So this lady come they plead, say make everybody take careful, especially those people where they get bestie. My people, make all of us take careful so that you will live a longer life. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. If this is your first time of coming across my page, you're welcome. This is Richest TV. In this page now, Poko news we dey share gist where the totori body undiluted gist as in they cook. I'm not so they carry con give for now. Do well to like, share our videos. It give me one kind of encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
So, since after this accident, immediately I was rushed to the hospital. I was working here in Asaba first, and then my doctors and fellow colleagues.
Oh, sorry, take it easy.
Thank you. My doctor and fellow colleagues checked me out and found out that this was a spinal cord situation. And as a very friendly nurse, first of all, it was beginning to get the attention of the patients that were regulars in the hospital. So we had to leave there first and then go to another hospital where I can have my privacy as a patient now. You can imagine how we turned from a caregiver to a caretaker. That can be funny. So they took me to another hospital over here in Asaba, and still the devil was still at work, and every general hospital was on strike. Where I could get the best doctors was on strike. I had to go to another private hospital, and then that was where I was for a while. the mismanagement there wasn't funny.
Mm.
In fact, everybody sees how I look like right now. It wasn't intentionally or early. It wasn't so earlier. It is due to hospital mismanagement, and I pray that God give me the chance to go back to my field and do what I love to do, which is take care of people and make sure they get back to the healthy health that God gave them. So I stayed there for a while, and then I was really not getting any treatment about than antibiotics and painkillers, which was not helping situation. So I went to a different one, and a different one, and a different one, and altogether I did 7 surgeries.
Oh my God.
These 7 surgeries consist of a whole lot. I even had to remove bone from my hip to attach on my neck. I have irons on my neck. They had to make sure that the bone that was removed from my hip wouldn't stop me from walking, but it would give me some kind of flexibility. I mean, you know, when something is not supposed to be there, or something is supposed to be there and it's not there.
Okay, yeah.
So I was asked I was going to be properly managed and to get better. The last surgery I was supposed to do to now get me on my feet walking now after mending the conditions. I ran out of everything. We ran out of funds. We have run out of peace of mind. We ran out of everything. There was no money at home. Everything I acquired as a nurse, as a person, as a human being that saves for future. I spent everything. There's nothing than life. It's somebody that is alive that goes to work again and starts to save again. My family spent everything, and from there, they're going down the hill. I was in FMC Asaba for good 4 years. I would say 5 because it's the first year wasn't completely FMCG, so I was going from one hospital to the other. So the rest of them was 4 years. They took care of me and then was managing my other conditions. You know, as a sick person, being sick attracts getting sick.
Yes.
So I got down with hypertension. I got down with low blood sugar because I wasn't eating. I had ulcers, bed sores. I have about almost 30